So, whether you handle pool service and repairs or manage trailer services, or basically if you work on any sort of piece of equipment, repairs and servicing management can get real messy real fast. That's why smart businesses use VS1 Repairs and Servicing. It's all tied in with the whole package, and it's an all-in-one service and repair management software. It keeps your jobs, quotes, schedules, and teams all in sync. You can track service history, send instant quotes, invoice on the spot. You can even book technicians in for on-site work, track where they're up to. It'll feed automatically back to head office. The customer gets an email, an SMS, you're on the way. The whole thing is fully connected and ready to go. Absolutely brilliant. So you get full visibility from the first phone call all the way through to final invoice. There's no spreadsheets, no stress. It's an all-in-one system. Gives you all your repairs and servicing, gives you total control. VS1, your complete repairs management software solution. Brilliant.